My name is Katarzyna Kłak-Lauterowska and I'm the General Director and President of the Board of Skiold BL in Kutno. Skiold was founded in 1877 in Denmark, in Säby, as iron foundry and machine shop, and has grown into a large international company over 148 years. It went through various transformations and changes of ownership, but up to this day, one thing has always been constant. In Skiold, we join tradition with innovation and high quality of our products. Polish branch of Skiold was founded in 1997 and it was dedicated to metal parts production used for construction of Skiold machine for over 20 years. During last 2 years, whole production unit dedicated to milling and fit solutions has been moved from Denmark to Poland and is now located in Kutno, in the center of Poland. We deliver complex and unique machines dedicated to seed milling, cleaning and segregation, and we also build complete feed preparation installations for our customers all over the world. Our main markets are Denmark and Western Europe, but we also build installations for customers in Southern and Eastern Europe, Australia and Vietnam.
My name is Maciej and I am Research and Development Team Manager at Skiold in Poland. Our products operate worldwide. For example, in large feed mills with capacity up to 80 tons per hour, as well as in small on-farm installation for farmers producing feed for their own livestock. This broad experience provides not only engineering knowledge, but also practical insight into how our equipment performs under real working conditions for decades. As a result, we deliver solutions that are durable, reliable, and at the same time competitive in price. From Skiold's wide portfolio, I would like to highlight two products which are important for our customers. The first is the disc mill, unique on the global scale thanks to its two-grinding disc design. This solution ensures uniform feed structure, which is crucial in nutrition of monogastric animals. Another advantage is continuous adjustment without stopping production, providing flexibility in operation.
My name is Bogumir Ziółkowski. I am Production Director in Skiold, Poland. In our factory, machines are built from scratch, and the entire production process is a complex journey, in which each stage is critical for the final quality and functionality. We start with precise material cutting and end with assembly. The process begins with laser cutting. This is an advanced technology that allows parts to be cut from metal sheets with incredible precision. The next step is bending. From the flat sheets precisely cut by the laser, three-dimensional components are created. Next, we move on turning and milling. This stage allows for the creation of more complex shapes and details that are essential in machine construction. CNC milling and turning machines ensure repeatability and precision, creating shafts, bushing and more. After all the individual parts are prepared, the welding stage begins. Experienced welders join the individual components into a solid, durable structure. The final and the key stage is assembly. All the previous produced and prepared parts, from the large frame to the smallest screw, are put together into one machine.
Good morning. My name is Adam Grzybowski. In Skiold company, I am responsible for the supply chain, for the planning, purchasing, warehousing, and distribution of final products to the customer. At the heart of supply chain is the customer. Our priority is to deliver right products to the right place at the right time. In our company, the supply chain is the integrated system of the processes that includes global purchasing, advanced planning, efficient warehouse management, and direct deliveries to the customer, including execution of complex global projects. We operate in the modern high-bay warehouse, divided in the outbound, inbound sectors, racking zones, and dedicated area for non-standard materials stored directly on the floor, which make it better management of the goods flow. We deliver to the customer all over the world using full trucks load, air freight, sea freight, and carrier services. Our supply chain is guarantee of quality, on-time delivery, and strong focus on customer needs.